Purchasing gift cards. Gift cards offer a versatile gifting solution, allowing recipients to choose items they truly desire. They are available for a wide range of retailers, restaurants, and services, both in physical and digital formats. Types of gift cards. Retailer-specific gift cards. These cards are valid only at the issuing retailer or chain, such as Amazon, Target, or Starbucks. Prepaid debit cards. Branded cards like Visa or MasterCard gift cards can be used anywhere the respective card is accepted, providing greater flexibility. eGift cards. Digital versions of gift cards delivered via email or text, suitable for last-minute gifts or recipients in different locations. Where to purchase? Gift cards. Online retailers. Websites like giftcards.com and PayPal Digital Gifts offer a broad selection of e-gift cards from various brands. Retail stores. Many supermarkets, convenience stores, and pharmacies carry a variety of gift cards near the checkout area. Directly from retailers. Purchasing from the retailer's official website or physical store ensures authenticity and often provides a wider selection of designs and denominations. Considerations when buying gift cards. Authenticity. To avoid counterfeit or invalid cards, purchase from reputable sources. Fees and expiration dates. Be aware of any associated fees or expiration dates, especially with prepaid debit cards. Redemption restrictions. Ensure the recipient frequents the retailer or service associated with the gift card to maximize its usefulness. Security. Retain the purchase receipt until the card is redeemed, as proof of purchase can be helpful in resolving potential issues. In conclusion, gift cards are a practical and appreciated gift choice, offering recipients the freedom to select what they truly want. By considering the type of gift card and purchasing from reputable sources, you can ensure a positive gifting experience.